Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sujata. In this video, we are going to learn about pronoun. Okay, a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun, or simply we can say a substitute of a noun, right? And generally, a pronoun is used to avoid the repetition of noun, right? And here we see some examples. Sita lives in Hyderabad. Sita is a doctor. Okay. In both the sentences, we use Sita. Okay. So we see in the below sentence, Sita lives in Hyderabad. She is a doctor. Okay. Likewise, in second sentence, Nandu saw the thieves. The thieves were fat. So, Nandu saw the thieves. They were fat. Okay. Where are the boys? Call them soon. His pen is very nice. I like him. Okay. We use examples like this. And we have a 10 types of pronouns. Okay. That is personal pronoun, impersonal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun and reciprocal pronoun. So, we go one by one. First, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun I, we, you, he, she, they. Okay, these all are comes under personal pronouns. And I and we are the first persons. Okay, I, we are the first persons. In I, it is a singular, right? So, you is a, it comes under singular as well as plural. So, you second person, he, she, they are the third persons. Likewise, in second, impersonal pronoun. Impersonal, it comes under impersonal pronoun. And possessive pronoun, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, their. Okay, these all are comes under possessive pronouns. And next, reflexive pronouns. Myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves. Okay, these all are comes under reflexive pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. These, that, these, those. Okay, or the demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. Who, which, what, whose, whom. Okay, interrogative pronouns. Interrogation. Okay, questioning. Relative pronouns. Who, which, what, whose, whom. Relative pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. One, any, anyone, anybody, anything, someone, somebody, something. Okay, none, no one, nobody, nothing, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, all, other, others, several, word. Okay, these all are comes under what? Comes under indefinite. Okay, next. Next is a distributive pronoun. Each, either, neither. Okay, distributive pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns. Each other, one another, or the reciprocal pronouns. And in this, we use all these pronouns in the coming videos in depth. Okay, these all are comes after the tenses. So, first of all, we see what we use in actual tenses. Okay, we use only personal pronouns in a tenses. Okay, what is personal pronouns? As we see first person. Okay, we go with a personal pronoun in depth. I, we, you, he, she, they, right? So I, we are the first pronoun, first person, sorry, and you are the second person, and he, she, they are the third persons. Okay, so first person represents the person speaking. Okay, First person represents the person speaking. I is a singular, we is a plural. Okay. So, second person represents the person spoken to. Second person represents the person spoken to. Okay. And third person represents the person spoken about. Okay. Spoken about. He, she, they. Third person represents the person spoken about. Okay. And these personal pronouns are used for a good manners only. Okay. So we see some examples below. I mentioned some examples here for these personal pronouns. Okay. You and I are the correct one. Okay. I and you. We should not use I and you. You and he. We have to use you and he, not he and you. You and she and you. Okay. It will not be correct. He and I is the correct. I and he is the wrong one. She and I. Okay. She and I go to school. Okay. You and they. Okay. You and they go to cinema. They and you and we and you are the wrong one. You, he and I are the correct. He, you and I is wrong. Okay, so we have to know before starting the English, actual English. Okay, so here are the some examples I have given. You and she saw the film yesterday. You and she. I didn't use she and you. Okay. She and I. She and I went to carnival last week. Okay. You and I will pass the test. Okay. You, she and I should write the test. Okay. You, she and I should write the test or exam. Okay. We have to use in a proper manner. Okay. It is a good manner to use. I hope you understand this video. Okay. If you understand this, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.